Good morning, my lovelies. How are you? This warm-up is appropriate for beginner contemporary singers, or perhaps you've got a presentation at work or a lot of Zoom meetings today and you just want to get your voice prepared for that. We're going to be working with the typical speaking range for higher voices, so if you need the lower voice exercises, check the description for the link to that video too. Scat. Scat, scat, scat. Scuddly, 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 scat, scat, scat. I'm sitting down today, but if you're opting to stand, take a moment to line up your ankles and knees below your hip joints. And whether you're sitting or standing, make sure we're growing tall up through the whole length of the spine and then float the shoulders down. Remembering that this is not a static posture for you to maintain throughout the practice. Feel free to move and stretch out any kinks that you might find as we're going through. Before we make any sounds, we're going to start by waking up the articulators. And if you don't feel silly when you're doing this, you're probably not doing it right. I like to think of Lucille Ball in I Love Lucy when she's at the candy factory and she's put all the chocolates in her mouth and she can't really close her lips anymore. That's the kind of full mouth feeling that we want to imagine. If chocolate's not your thing, imagine something else that you want to have a mouthful of, and we're going to start chewing it down. Really stretch it out, overemphasizing the movements. And to finish up, we'll do some really big swallows. And then look in your imaginary mirror to make sure that you haven't left anything behind. You know, get your tongue in there. You got all those last little bits out. Now we want to start with a nice balanced pressure at vocal fold level. So SOVT on 5-note major scale is the way to go. I'm going to do lip bubbles today, but if that's not your thing, you might want to just hum, or if you have a straw, you could sing through that, and that will be fine too. Starting to open up into vowels now, a, e, I, o, u, with a nice n for Nelly at the beginning of each note to make it just a little bit easier for us. Na 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 na, na 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 na, ni 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 ni, no 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 no. And now just an N at the beginning of each round of the scale using the same vowels. Na, ne, ni, no, nu, na, ne, that's our basic warm-up done. If you found this useful, please give it a like by hitting that thumbs up button below. And if you'd like to see more, remember to subscribe to the channel. If you want to explore a bit more of your range today, go down into the description below, find the lower voices warm up and sing along with it, but an octave higher, and see how that works out for you.